Hello, my name is John Rodriguez. I was invited to come to Bunker Hill in June as advisor consultant. Part of my primary responsibilities was to receive, organize, and evaluate the equipment coming in from Oreille. The biggest concern was trying to make sure that it was organized in such a fashion so that when it came time to put everything back together again, it was in such a fashion that it was easy to access and in the order in which it needed to go back in. A part of that process, in order to do that, I put together a yard map, and this yard map was broke out by area, by circuit, and by color. The whole purpose for the color was so that people that didn't know the equipment knew that at area 1 in orange was crusher. I didn't have to be here, they could go ahead and move it over there and put it away. So far we've received just about all of the equipment. We still have the jaw crusher to show up, but pretty much everything's on site now. Now the process of reevaluating each piece of equipment as we go to ensure that it's ready to go back into the plant. Also, in order to help everybody, I built a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet, it's got hyperlinked photographs to each of the names of each of the pieces of equipment, so if people don't know, they can click on that picture and it'll tell them what it is. It also identifies the location of where each pieces of this equipment are located. Another important part of this process, along with the organizational pieces to the equipment and where they're located, it's also preservation. Now that we're coming up into winter and the estimated time for this equipment to go back into the plant is going to put us into the middle of winter where we're going to have snow and rain and all kinds of adverse weather conditions. So as you can see behind me, some of the preservation things that we've used is plastic. We've covered all the strategic pieces of equipment with plastic. We've also used a Cozumel wax-based spray to protect the bull gears behind me, and that's worked out quite well. In closing, I'd just like to say that the team here at Bunker Hill is one of the most professional groups I've ever worked with. It's made my job a whole lot easier for orchestrating all the work that's been done and making sure that everything is in place as it should be.